Do you tense up when you come to a new or unknown or challenging section of the trail? This might be a really big habit that is holding you back from having more confidence on the trails. So what does this actually look like? Well, when you come to a new or unknown trail or even a challenging section that you know is difficult for you to complete, first you slow down, or maybe you even stop and you second guess yourself. You hesitate because you don't know if you have the confidence to complete this trail, or you might start death gripping the bars to try and stay in control. So you come to a tight section with trees or a steep hill and you start to squeeze, death grip the bars because you're trying to manhandle or control the entire weight of the bike. But this is really holding you back from having more skill and confidence because it's a sign that you haven't learned or mastered the basic techniques to trail riding. So what happens when you tense up and you death grip the bars is you're trying to control the entire weight of the bike. This is a mistake because your arms and your hands are not meant to handle that much weight, at least the majority of the time. It's like you're trying to do push-ups and pull-ups while you're sitting or standing on the bike. I don't know about you, but I can only do so many or do that for so long before my arms and hands or wrists cramp up or get exhausted. And if you want to ride trails that are longer than 15 minutes, you need to learn how to properly and efficiently use your body. So when you tense up and hold the bars really tight, this makes it even harder to use the throttle, the clutch, the controls on your bike. For example, if you're holding the throttle really tight, this makes it hard to be smooth, and it actually makes your bike feel even more jerky because you're trying to control the bike by squeezing the bars, and the throttle feels jerky, and you're more likely to whiskey throttle and crash into a tree or fly off the trail, especially if you're standing on the bike because you give it throttle and you're being pushed and pulled by the handlebars. That's a really good sign that you haven't learned the basic techniques. And if you resonate with this video, let me know in the comments below. And then you need to check out this video on the top 5 mistakes that are holding you back from having more confidence on the trails.